It's no secret anymore, Honor Malaysia is getting ready to launch their new accessible flagship, the Honor 600 series. And today I've got the Honor 600 Pro right here for a quick unboxing and first look. Inside the box, you get your usual essential, a SIM injector tools, a transparent TPU case with a pretty large camera cutout, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and an 80-watt Honor supercharged charger. Now, before anyone says it, yes, it does look very similar to that Fruit brand. But honestly speaking, I think this one feels even better built, and the size is just right. It sits nicely between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 17 Pro. Not too big, not too small, just that sweet spot. As usual, this unit is under embargo, so I can't share everything just yet, but I can give you enough to get you interested. First off, the display is seriously impressive. You get symmetrical, ultra slim bezels all around. And honestly, not many flagship phones come close to this. Flipping it over, the back has a matte glass finish, so no fingerprint smudges, and is paired with a matte metal middle frame. It feels very premium in the hand. As for cameras, you're getting a triple camera setup, including a 200 megapixel main camera, plus an ultra-wide, and a super steady telephoto lens with SIPA 6.5 level stabilization, which is actually higher than what I've seen on their current flagship, the Honor Magic 8 Pro. The telephoto is capable to shoot up to 120 times while getting impressive details thanks to the Honor AI upscaling. As for what powering this thing, I can't say much yet, but let's just say there's something pretty elite inside. The Honor 600 Pro comes in 3 colors, golden white, black, and this standout hero color, orange. That's all for now. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing more about this device very soon. I'll see you at the next one.